दाबोळेच्या इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाचो नवो डिरेक्टर म्हूण फ्लायट ल्युटेनंट आकाश दीप हांणी चार्ज घेतला. एअरपोर्टा संबंधान जातल्या सुदारणांचेर तांणी माहिती दिली.
We plan to reach out to them. I have something in my mind. Currently, we have an expansion plan in progress. Around 18,300 square meters we are going to increase, which will help in the domestic passenger capacity enhancement. There will be an increase of check-in counters also, drop facility. We already have 10 numbers and we plan to introduce 4 more, 9 boarding and increase to 22 number of elevators. 5 new escalators are being introduced. In future development programs, we do plan to introduce duty paid shop at International, which is getting ready already. Shortly it will be in place. When passengers are sitting, doing nothing, stress management, some pleasure, maybe we'll introduce. We like to link that with your Goan culture so that people go with the feel of Goa when they are departing also. So that we have introduced. We are increasing the security hold area, which certainly will, and the new technology has been introduced. So all these will help in dwell time and the passenger checking and procedures. It will be more efficient